Hi, I'm Stacy from FundCalibre. Choosing an investment fund can be a tough decision, but getting it right or wrong can have a huge impact on your money. With more than 3,000 funds available in the UK, it can also be a daunting task. Trying to get started by simply browsing a long list of names is not the easiest way to do it. It can also give you decision paralysis. The paradox of choice refers to the difficulty of making a decision when presented with too many options. Essentially, when all of the options seem to have equal value. More choice is not always a good thing. In fact, it can decrease our motivation to make a decision at all, decrease our satisfaction with the choice we finally do make, and increase negative emotions like regret. FundCalibre, at its core, answers the paradox of choice for many investors. We look at more than 3,000 fund options and narrow them down to a list of around 200. However, if it's your first ever investment, even a list of 200 can be very daunting, especially when combined with the word research. You suddenly feel as though you'll be wasting days or even weeks of your life, so what's the point? One of the best ways to combat this paradox of choice and reduce anxiety is to eliminate some of the options available. You may want to consider a multi-asset fund to take some of the stress away. Multi-asset funds are a one-stop shop as they invest in a number of different assets, and a manager changes this allocation around depending on what is happening in the world and markets. There are less than 20 multi-asset funds with an elite rating, so it's already a more manageable shortlist to work from. Here are 4 to get you started. M&G Episode Income is a multi-asset fund that aims to produce monthly income and long-term capital growth by investing in a diversified range of assets. The term episode refers to those periods of time when investors' emotions cause them to act irrationally. The fund manager uses behavioral finance to find pockets of value and invest against the herd rather than following it. The newly renamed 91 Global Income Opportunities Fund invests conservatively around the world in a diverse range of equities and bonds. It can also invest a little in other assets and overall aims to target an income of 4% for investors. Close Managed Income is a multi-manager fund aiming to provide capital growth and income by investing in both actively managed funds and exchange-traded funds. It sits on the conservative side of the risk spectrum, with preservation of capital a strong focus alongside income generation. LIONTRUST Sustainable Future Managed Fund aims to deliver long-term growth through its sustainable process and by investing in a combination of global equities, bonds, and cash. The managers use a thematic approach to identify the key structural growth trends that will shape the global economy of the future. The team has identified 3 megatrends with strong and dependable growth prospects: better resource efficiency, improved health, and greater safety and resilience. For more information about how to choose a fund and to explore more elite-rated multi-asset funds, please visit FundCalibre.com and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and manager interviews.